Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the innocent habits you've been following daily are secretly harming your kidneys. Shocking, right? The truth is, your kidneys, small yet incredibly vital organs, work tirelessly to filter waste, balance your body's fluids, and regulate blood pressure. However, certain daily practices, often overlooked, might be undermining their health. If you're committed to maintaining or even improving your kidney health, it's crucial to recognize what might be working against you. In today's discussion, we'll reveal the top 10 daily habits that could be silently sabotaging your kidneys. These aren't just minor missteps. They're habits you must break to avoid the risks of chronic kidney disease. So, stay with us as we count down from 10 to 1, with the most harmful habit revealed at the end. Let's dive in. 10. Holding in your urine. We've all been there, busy at work, stuck in traffic, or too engrossed in a task to take a bathroom break. But holding in your urine for long periods isn't as harmless as it seems. When you consistently ignore the urge to urinate, you put unnecessary pressure on your bladder, which can lead to bladder stretching or weaken bladder muscles over time. This in turn can cause incomplete emptying of the bladder, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. But the problem doesn't end there. If these infections spread to the kidneys, they can lead to serious kidney infections. Additionally, regularly holding in your urine can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, as minerals in the urine have more time to crystallize. To protect your kidneys, make it a habit to visit the restroom when you feel the urge, rather than holding it in. 9. Overusing painkillers. Painkillers, especially non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs like ibuprofen, aspirin, and naproxen, are often our go-to solution for relieving aches and pains. While these medications can be effective, overusing them can have serious consequences for your kidneys. NSAIDs work by reducing inflammation, but they also decrease blood flow to the kidneys, which can impair kidney function over time. Chronic use of these medications can lead to a condition known as analgesic nephropathy, a type of kidney damage that can result in chronic kidney disease. This damage is often irreversible and can cause a gradual decline in kidney function. It's crucial to use painkillers sparingly and only when absolutely necessary. If you find yourself needing pain relief frequently, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to explore safer alternatives or address any underlying issues that may be causing your pain. 8. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for your kidneys to function properly. Your kidneys rely on water to filter waste from your blood and excrete it in the form of urine. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys struggle to perform this vital task, leading to a buildup of waste products in your body. Dehydration can cause your urine to become concentrated, which can irritate the kidneys and lead to the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that can cause excruciating pain and further damage your kidneys. Chronic dehydration can also reduce kidney function over time. To prevent these issues, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. While the exact amount of water needed varies depending on factors like activity level and climate, a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Keeping a water bottle with you can help ensure that you stay hydrated and protect your kidneys from unnecessary strain. 7. Consuming too much salt. Salt is a common staple in most diets, but too much of it can be a silent enemy to your kidneys. Sodium, the main component of salt, plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction in your body. However, when you consume too much salt, your kidneys must work overtime to filter the excess sodium from your bloodstream. This extra effort strains your kidneys and over time can lead to a decline in kidney function. Excessive salt intake can also cause your body to retain water, which increases blood volume and, consequently, your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage and can exacerbate conditions like chronic kidney disease. Additionally, a diet high in sodium can increase the risk of developing kidney stones, which are painful and can cause long-term damage to your kidneys. To protect your kidneys, it's crucial to be mindful of your salt intake. Excess sodium in your diet can strain your kidneys, leading to long-term damage. Processed and fast foods are often packed with hidden sodium, making them particularly harmful to kidney health. These foods may be convenient and tasty, but their high sodium content can contribute to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. To reduce your sodium intake, focus on cutting back on processed and fast foods. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and herbs to flavor your meals naturally. This not only reduces your sodium intake but also enhances the nutritional value of your diet. 6. Avoiding processed foods. Processed foods are everywhere, convenient, often delicious, and a quick fix for busy days. However, these foods come with a hidden cost. They can seriously harm your kidneys, typically high in unhealthy ingredients like sodium, sugar, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Processed foods can take a significant toll on your kidneys over time. The excessive sodium content is particularly concerning because it can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Moreover, processed foods are often low in essential nutrients and high in additives, which can create an acidic environment in your body. This acidity puts additional strain on your kidneys as they work to maintain a proper acid-base balance. Regular consumption of processed foods can also contribute to weight gain and obesity, increasing the risk of conditions like diabetes and hypertension, both of which are leading causes of kidney damage. To protect your kidneys, it's best to minimize your intake of processed foods and instead focus on a diet rich in whole, natural foods. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Preparing meals at home using fresh ingredients not only supports overall health, but also provides your kidneys with the nutrients they need to function optimally. 5. Managing high blood pressure. High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Despite its significant impact, many people are unaware of how it affects kidney health. When your blood pressure is consistently high, it puts extra strain on blood vessels throughout your body, including those in your kidneys. These blood vessels are crucial for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. However, when they are damaged by high blood pressure, their ability to function properly is compromised. Over time, this can lead to a condition known as hypertensive nephropathy, where the kidneys suffer progressive damage and lose their ability to filter blood efficiently. If left unchecked, high blood pressure can accelerate the progression of chronic kidney disease and potentially lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or even a kidney transplant. Managing your blood pressure is vital for protecting your kidneys. This can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet low in sodium, engaging in regular exercise, reducing stress, limiting alcohol intake, and, if necessary, taking medication prescribed by your healthcare provider. Regularly monitoring your blood pressure at home can also help you stay on top of any changes and take action before serious damage occurs. 4. Limiting excessive sugar consumption. Sugar is a common ingredient in our diets, often hidden in foods and drinks that don't even taste sweet. While an occasional indulgence is fine, consistently consuming too much sugar can have serious consequences for your kidney health. Excess sugar in your diet can lead to a range of health problems, starting with weight gain and obesity. Carrying extra weight puts additional stress on your kidneys, as they have to work harder to filter waste and maintain the body's delicate balance of fluids and electrolytes. Moreover, a diet high in sugar significantly increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition in which high blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, leading to diabetic nephropathy. This form of kidney damage is particularly concerning because it can progress silently, eventually leading to kidney failure if not managed properly. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to limit your sugar intake. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods, drinks, and snacks, and opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits, which provide natural sweetness along with essential nutrients. By making these changes, you can reduce your risk of kidney damage and support overall health. One of the most common causes of kidney disease is excessive sugar intake, which, if not managed properly, can eventually lead to kidney failure. Sugar is not only a major contributor to high blood pressure, but it also accelerates kidney damage by placing additional strain on these vital organs. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to be vigilant about your sugar consumption. Start by reading food labels carefully to identify hidden sugars, and reduce your intake of sugary beverages, processed snacks, and desserts. Instead, opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruits, which provide essential nutrients along with their sweetness. You can also enhance the flavor of your food by using spices like cinnamon or vanilla, which add a sweet taste without the need for added sugars. 3. Smoking. While smoking is widely recognized for its detrimental effects on the lungs and heart, many people are unaware that it also significantly impacts kidney health. When you smoke, harmful chemicals enter your bloodstream and reach your kidneys, causing inflammation and damage to the delicate blood vessels within these organs. This damage impairs the kidney's ability to filter blood effectively, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body. Additionally, smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys, further hindering their function and increasing the risk of chronic kidney disease. Smokers are also at a higher risk of developing kidney cancer, a serious and potentially life-threatening condition. The risk is particularly high for those who smoke heavily or have been smoking for many years. Moreover, smoking exacerbates other risk factors for kidney disease, such as high blood pressure and diabetes. The good news is that quitting smoking can have a profound positive impact on your kidney health, even if you've been smoking for a long time. Within weeks of quitting, your blood circulation improves, reducing the strain on your kidneys and lowering your risk of kidney disease. There are many resources available to help you quit, including support groups and nicotine replacement therapies, so don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol is often seen as a way to relax or socialize, but excessive drinking can have serious consequences for your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins out of your blood, including alcohol, which is a potent toxin. When you drink too much alcohol, your kidneys are forced to work harder to remove it from your system, which can lead to dehydration, a condition that puts significant stress on your kidneys. Dehydration reduces the flow of blood to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Chronic alcohol consumption can also lead to liver damage, which in turn affects kidney function, as the liver and kidneys work closely together to detoxify the body. Furthermore, excessive drinking can contribute to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. Over time, heavy drinking can result in alcohol-induced kidney damage, where the kidneys lose their ability to function properly, increasing the risk of chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. To protect your kidneys, it's important to drink alcohol in moderation. The recommended limit is no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. If you find it difficult to stick to these limits, consider seeking support from a healthcare professional or a support group. 1. Neglecting diabetes management. The most critical factor in maintaining kidney health is how well you manage diabetes. Diabetes is the leading cause of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, making it crucial to keep your blood sugar levels under control. Uncontrolled diabetes can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from your blood and leading to the progression of CKD. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Follow a healthy diet, exercise, and take any prescribed medications as directed by your healthcare provider. By managing diabetes effectively, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney damage and ensure that your kidneys remain healthy. When you have diabetes, consistently high blood sugar levels can cause significant damage to the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. These blood vessels are essential for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, but when they become damaged, their ability to perform this vital function is impaired. This condition, known as diabetic nephropathy, develops gradually and can lead to progressive kidney damage over time. If left untreated, diabetic nephropathy can advance to end-stage kidney disease, a severe condition that may require dialysis or a kidney transplant to sustain life. The damage caused by high blood sugar is often irreversible, making prevention and early intervention absolutely critical. Effectively managing diabetes involves more than just monitoring blood sugar levels. It requires a comprehensive approach. Regularly checking your blood sugar levels allows you to stay on top of any fluctuations and take necessary actions to keep them within a healthy range. Following a balanced diet tailored to your needs helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, while regular exercise improves your body's ability to use insulin, further helping to control blood sugar. In addition to these measures, it is crucial to take any prescribed medications as directed by your healthcare provider. These medications are specifically designed to help manage your blood sugar and prevent complications. Managing other related risk factors, such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol, is also essential, as these conditions can further harm your kidneys and exacerbate the damage caused by diabetes. By staying vigilant and proactive about your diabetes management, you can significantly reduce the risk of kidney complications and protect your kidney health for years to come. Remember, your kidneys play a vital role in your overall health, and taking steps to care for them is one of the best investments you can make in your long-term well-being. So there you have it, 10 daily habits that could be silently sabotaging your kidney health. From holding in your urine to neglecting diabetes management, each of these habits has the potential to cause serious damage over time. However, the good news is that by becoming aware of these risks and making simple changes to your daily routine, you can greatly improve your kidney health and overall well-being. Your kidneys are essential to your body's functioning, and taking care of them is crucial for maintaining good health. If this information has helped you understand the importance of protecting your kidneys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay informed and stay healthy.